There you go. You're supposed to borrow it. Don't do quite as much pet before she's working. And the way I explain that is, if you want to go to the spa, get a spa day and go to work. So, let her get her mind on the work and not on the pet. Nothing wrong with pets, just break it too apart. See how she's aware of what I'm doing, but she's thinking out there. This is the kind of stuff that I'm talking about. This needs to be better. I really wish she was a little more concerned about me. So when she does this, I'm getting a little bit harder on her than a horse that had an ear back saying, what would you like me to do? Right now, she's just blowing me off, giving me the finger, so I don't really care.
Where my boyfriend's at, where my friends.
So instead of just walking the easy circle like I normally would, I'm going to kind of pull on her a little bit. Just to try to get that ear back on me. And say, hey, I'm in charge. Think about what I'm doing. When the ear's back at me, I'll pull a little bit slower. And I'm not jerking on her, I'm just kind of pay attention. I'm telling you something. That's really all I want to talk about. And I'll use my calves and just kind of bump on her a little bit and send her forward. But if there's resistance in the reins, then I'll go to spur. Raven, would you come get me a cow out, please?
Yeah. You can hear him?
I know it's hard.
With the fans and the
I know it's hard.
She probably knew what to expect. She'll fill in the spaces herself.
She was prepared.
Yeah.
Cow, yeah, cow.
Boy, she's come a long way.
She has come a long way. All her following the cow.
They need to get Rex's stomach set up and open in a couple days. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's all good. Yeah.
She ain't really scared of it. I was popping it off over yesterday.
So how late did you finally get in?
I got to my hotel at 3:30. And then we started the clinic at 9.
I hate those night flights.
I
They're like
do
2
too.
delays away from being
And
the next.
it wasn't supposed to be a night flight, it was just delayed.
I hate that.
You gonna shoot off her too?
Not
Not
this
today.
time.
Well, I mean, eventually.
I don't know, maybe if she wants me to. She's taking her home for a little while. She might come back. This is Saber's owner.
Okay.
The crazy mustache, or the crazy Arabian.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, you're
right.
right for the name. The only Arabian I ever owned was a Polish Arabian from Burt Reynolds Ranch like 100 years ago when I was younger. But he was black. He was awesome. He was really cool.
Saber's Polish Arabian.
Oh, I love that. See, they built like a quarter horse, but like they were pretty.
I like the heads better on the Polish than I do the Egyptian. They don't have quite the seahorse head to them.
Yep.
Yeah, we haven't distorted their nasal cavities.
Right? No, he was cool.
The Polish just are heavier bone.
Yep. Yep, I like the Polish.
He's still refined enough, though. I like his looks and all of that.
Yep. He was getting a divorce from Lonnie, so he dispersed his ranch in Jupiter, Florida. We got him at an auction. Great. I was younger. I was riding them all over, and they had the registration papers in front of us on the back, and they're like, I said, I don't think he likes his bid. I've been running him up and down the road, and he tosses his head a little, and they're like, yeah, we've never ridden him. So he was 3 years old, but I was younger. Now I want letters of reference from kids that have ridden horses. I don't deal with any. I'm scared of everything now, you know. Not back then. He was the coolest. Very cool. That's my favorite too. I like the Polish.
What's that?
I like the Polish too.
Yeah.
He was like 3 years old, so I just assumed, oh, they've been riding him, you know, it's all good. Nope.
I didn't look at it either. They have birthday on.
Right.
I don't know how they got that.
Because they asked his stuff and I showed what they wrote there.
So anyway, so technically, I didn't know that he's older. It's still
Have you heard first milkshake in her chair because it's family meeting night and they're watching
The skirt won't come in the corner.
Ha.
I think by that one.
doesn't give his birthday, just that he's born in That's weird.
You didn't ride a lot before.
Roll more towards your body, not so much out to the side. There you go, now muscle forward. There you go. Pulling out to the side, gets her heavy on the front end. Yeah, just kick on her, make her go. She can walk around. She'll figure it out. There you go. Bump on her a little bit to go forward. There you go. Got another fly right there, right eye. The right eye, yeah. lot. It's kicked on all over.
I'll stay out of your way. 80%.
You gonna take my starter out?
Huh? She always so quiet and sweet. Yours? Yeah. She loves kids. You'll never meet a man that
Can't take up like this.
Yeah, we'll walk back here. kind of got stacked out and laid. Like too much clothes out. You want to lift with just enough pressure so you don't fall forward. Like you know, like. Stretch out all the way over the whole thing. What else do you want to work on, Ray? Want to work the cow? Just want to be right.
Yeah, you can just hit it out though.
I guess we're not working the cow today.
You ever get it out there?
No, we did that once. You run me over. and I got tired.
Not cool.
Let's work on her clothes.
That's what I was.
How is it going?